guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your very own Boppy cover using an old cover that you have so that you can make it any design you would like. I just folded my Boppy cover in half and put it on a piece of paper that was folded in half, and I'm tracing around it. I'm going to connect my dots, and then I'm going to label this my front pattern piece. When I cut it out, I'm going to leave seam allowance, and I'm leaving about 1/2 of an inch all the way around. My paper is folded in half, so when I cut it out, I have a front and a back piece that are completely identical, and I'm going to move the front piece out the way, take the back piece and measure down 5.5 inches, and make a line across. This is going to make the opening for the zipper. Cut down this line to separate the top and the bottom piece, and then I'm labeling the back bottom and the back top. Please don't mind that I put Bobby instead of Boppy. My pregnancy brain must be getting to me. I'm also adding that we're going to need to put seam allowance here and here. And I'm also labeling where my folds are going to be. And here's our pattern pieces. When we cut it out, remember that you need that seam allowance right in between where you cut for the zipper. And you should have one full front piece, a small top piece, and a shorter back piece. Looking at the wrong side, I'm going to finish off the top of the edge on that bottom piece, fold over my seam allowance and iron it. And pin it down. I did the same thing for that top piece. Now I'm taking my zipper, folding it in half to find the center, and I'm going to start pinning my bottom and top piece to the zipper. As you can tell, I cut my zipper out a little bit smaller than what my piece actually is, but it is still long enough to catch it in the seam allowance when I sew it all the way around. Now we're just going to sew down both the sides using a zipper foot, and our zipper is done. Open it just a little bit and put your front piece right sides touching the back pieces and pin it all the way around. Sew it all the way around. Make sure that you leave that opening so we can turn it right side out. Here's it sewn, and now we need a zigzag or finish off the edges. And we need to clip all the way around, making little notches all the way around so that it lays flat. Turn it right side out through the zipper hole and iron it flat, and your Boppy cover is complete. Now just choose whatever fabric you want to make your Boppy cover out of, or whatever design you want, and have fun making your own designs. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I would love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.